Good afternoon, Miss. Today we'll be filming our practice for
Job interview.
our job interview.
I am Princess Stephanie Gordas, BS Psych 1.
And I am Sofia Cristal P. Lumokso, BS Psychology Level 1. And we will start now. Okay. So assuming that I am the HR, I will ask you. Please kindly tell me about yourself.
So, I am Princess Stephanie Gordas, a psychologist graduate with a strong passion for supporting students academically, and for their personal development. I have developed solid communication, active listening, and problem-solving skills that will help me for applying for this job as a school guidance counselor. Now it's your turn. Okay. Why are you interested in applying for this job?
Okay, as I am applying as a child counseling assistant, because I'm very passionate about promoting children's well-being and helping them navigate more about their emotional challenges. Now, this role will allow me to support licensed counselors while also contributing to a more positive and a more gentle space for young kids. And I'm also motivated to assist them in providing early alternatives and intervention, which I believe can make a long-term impact on a child's development and behavioral patterns. So another question will be, what are your qualities? How do you handle stress, or how do you cope stress during or in your workplace? How do you even in general, how do you cope with stress?
So I handle stress by staying organized and prioritizing myself and my tasks so I can focus and manage on them one step at a time. And I also practice healthy coping strategies such as taking short breaks and staying mindful to keep myself balanced and calm.
Okay.
So, what are your qualities that makes you suitable for this job you're applying for?
Okay, personally for me, I think some of the traits that I can contribute to the job that I am applying to is that I'm very passionate and I'm very patient, especially that I'm a very empathetic person. I know that I can listen well to my clients, and I think I can offer great communication skills between me and the children that I am assisting. Also, I'm very observant, which helps me to notice behavioral patterns or any child's changes. Additionally, I am dependable and I can follow protocols, and I'm committed to maintaining a confidential practice at all times. Last question will be for the both of us. How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
So, I hope I see myself 10 years from now pursuing my job as a school guidance counselor in this university that I am applying for.
For me, I think 10 years from now, I hope that I become I became a graduate from master's school, and I can become a child psychologist, and that I can be able to help and uplift children who are struggling with their mental health issues. That would be all.
Thank you.